New just listed home, 2400 Winding Creek Boulevard, apartment 26 to 203, Clearwater, Florida, by Tim Thompson from the Military Veteran Team. This one-bedroom, one-bath home on 704 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the sun-soaked living area features an airy open floor plan that creates a cozy space for relaxation. Seamlessly connected, the functional kitchen boasts classic cabinetry and built-in appliances for easy meal preparation. The layout hosts a generously sized primary bedroom with built-in closets. This is served by one well-appointed full bathroom. Outdoors, unwind on your private screened rear porch overlooking lush courtyards. Contact us and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.